A very good morning, folks. This is Nyasis Party from the team of Mission Nice. So, in this video, I'll be giving an explanation about the Dada Bhai Naroji and how he has been contributed immensely for the development of Indian nation, or the development of Indian nation from the Britishers. We can even say that. So, let me have a clear understanding about the additional information part, in which I am going to provide you in the short span of time. Not only we can say that in a short span of time, but also at the same moment in which I am going to deliver that. So let me give the additional information the through point wise and key contribution from that. So first, in September 4 19 2019 was the 194th birth anniversary of Dada Bhai Naroji. Okay, so it is now, the date is really September 2020. Then after so 195th anniversary, which has been done in September 5 2020, I can say that. So the grand old man of India, who was among the first leader who stripped national consequence in the country, which you should have to know. So it is how he has been named as the grand old man of India, because his contribution to the society is immensely proud, immensely been advertisable in the history of India, in the modern history of India. So it also plays a very important role in that nation development, nation building. So that's the reason why I'm giving the additional information part about how he has contributed to the India's development in the old years. We can say that 100 years back, we can even say that. So let me have born in 1825 in Navsari in the present day of Gujarat. Okay, usually he born in the present day, or he born in Gujarat at Navsari. Okay, in 1825 he usually given means he has born, not given, he has born in 1825 in Gujarat. Okay, what is the present contribution or the key contribution by Dada Bhai Naroji? Okay, how he has been presented a key contributor to the nation development. I think that it is visible to you all point wise, but still I will be reading. Do not get confused. I will be reading. So because of that minimization of my videos screen, it may not be visible to you, but still I will be contributing. I will be giving the detail. He has closely involved with the Indian National Congress in the early phase. So that's the reason why he has been appointed as a 3 times Indian National Congress president. He served as the first Indian member of British Parliament. Also, you have to know that Dada Bhai Naroji has also been served as one of the key member in British Parliament. His first allegation in 1859 concerned requirement of Indian civil service. Okay, Indian civil service, who has been given by one of the Lord Cornwall, who has appointed Indian civil service members from Indian recruiters. We can say that his first allegation in 1859 consent requirement in Indian civil service. Okay, so it also made a contribution to the Indian civil service examination too in 1859. Then after 1865-1866, Naroji helped found the London Indian Society and the East Indian Association. The two organizations sought to bring nationalist Indian and sympathetic Briton on one platform. So this is how he has make all the members into one group, into one nation, into one strategy, into one we can say that into one unit. Okay, this is how he has contributed. One is East India Association, and there is London Indian Society. So these are the two important points which might be coming in your civil service examination. So what are the two societies or association which Dada Bhai Naroji has united? So I can say that London Indian Society and there is East Indian Association. Okay, these two organizations has been united. That's the thing you should have to know that. So I think that you have learned something in the additional information part of Dada Bhai Naroji. I hope it will be continued. Thank you.